Hey everyone, this is Nick with Gold Coast Flooring, and today I'm going to be installing a small room of carpet along with a small closet. So stay tuned and I'll share some of the steps I take while I do this installation. So after I have the carpet in the room, I'll go ahead and cut and tuck my first corner. Then I get my power stretcher set up and make my first stretch at an angle across the room, and then I'll cut and tuck where the stretcher head is, and I'll go ahead and cut and tuck the carpet on that side of the room. And after that's done, I'll move my power stretcher 90 degrees and I'll stretch across the width of the room. And I'll do the same thing I did on the other side, just cut and tuck the carpet. So now that that's done, I can actually start power stretching the room. So I'll stretch at a slight angle and I'll just work my way down the wall, moving the power stretcher down this side of the wall. Now that's all done, I can turn my power stretcher around and stretch the length of the room. And the first stretch I make will be at a slight angle, but the rest of the stretches will be straight across the room. And this is builder's grade polyester carpet that I'm installing, and a lot of people think that you can kick this in with a knee kicker and don't need a power stretcher, but I'll be making a video on that soon because that's simply not true. You should always use a power stretcher to install carpet for the best results. So I'm almost done, I just have a closet with a seam to do, but I wanted to make a quick note here that whenever doing carpet to tile or hard surface, always use latex. And shout out to Floors by Southern Boys, he'll recognize that latex bottle. So all that's left is just to seam and stretch this in. And that's it. Thanks for joining me on this small carpet installation. I hope it helps someone else on their job or project. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you later. Thanks for watching.